restoration. Here we have a 1938 Riley steering wheel. Now this steering wheel was a new steering wheel riveted to the original boss, which we've polished, and the ring round the front here which has been re-chromed. It's all been assembled with new rivets. That's one of our new steering wheels for 1938 Riley. The original steering wheel, this is the original steering wheel. As you can see, the new one's a copy of the original, but you can see the spokes are all loose in the rim, and so they've actually torn out the mild steel rim, which is hollow, and the best route with this is, rather than weld it, is to replace it with a new steering wheel.